Welcome to Meditation Eye and the first video in our Meditation in Daily Life, Practical Applications playlist. Today, we're diving into the concept of mindful mornings. Imagine waking up, not to the jarring sound of an alarm, but to a sense of calm and tranquility. This is the essence of mindful mornings. It's about starting your day with a clear mind and a peaceful heart, setting a positive tone that will carry you through the rest of your day. In this video, we will guide you through a simple yet effective morning meditation routine. This routine is designed to be easily incorporated into your daily life, no matter how busy your schedule may be. It's about making the most of those quiet moments in the morning, before the rush of the day begins. We'll start by discussing the importance of setting an intention for the day. Setting an intention is like planting a seed for what you wish to grow in your life. It's a powerful practice that can help guide your actions and decisions throughout the day. Next, we'll explore the practice of cultivating an attitude of gratitude from the moment you wake up. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can shift your focus from what's missing in your life to the abundance that's already present. We'll also discuss how to use mindfulness techniques during your morning activities. Whether you're showering, eating breakfast, or brushing your teeth, these activities provide an opportunity to practice mindfulness. It's about bringing your full attention to the task at hand, noticing the sensations, and fully experiencing the moment. Watching the videos in this playlist, you'll have a set of practical tools to transform your morning routine into a mindful practice. You'll learn how to start your day with a sense of peace and positivity, setting a strong foundation for the rest of your day. Remember, mindfulness is not about achieving perfection. It's about bringing awareness to our experiences and learning to be present in each moment. So, let's embark on this journey together, transforming our daily routines into opportunities for mindfulness and inner peace. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical meditation guides. Remember, meditation is not a destination, but a journey. Enjoy the process and see you in the next video.